Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, to my scuffed ass channel where I upload whenever the fuck I feel like it. I'm a slacker and I suck. But anyways, Pixi Pr unboxing. If you're new here, ooh, what happened? If you hear noise in the background, I have kids, so yeah. Anyways, so in this box, we got these goodies. So we got a summer glow palette, which has bronzers, blush, highlight, boom. A large lash mascara. We got a lip lift max, enhance your lips with an infusion of peptides to plump, aloe to heal, jojoba to moisturize, and chamomile to soothe. It's a plumping gloss, has a little coral orangey tint to it, and 2 endless shade sticks. There are 2 eyeshadow sticks. One is a matte cocoa color, the other is a shimmer. It's like a copper color, super cute. So let me show you those things. But first, I'll show you this cute little tote that they gave me in my bag, and it has my name on it. It's the little things that make me so happy. Okay, so this is the first one. This one is called Copper Glaze, and it is copper colored. So I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand, like so, like that, so you can see. Ooh, I broke the tip. I feel like it's melted because it's hot tail. And then we got this one is called Matte Cocoa. Looks like that. Brown shade. And then we have the mascara. It's black, bold black. Ooh. It's really fat packaging, thick, and that's the wand. And then this is the plumping gloss. Looks like this, coral shade. It has a little bit of sparkle to it. I'll do a little swatch on my hand. I mean, it's really sheer, so you can't really see it, but that's what that looks like. And then last but not least, if I can get it out of here because I can never open anything, is the Summer Glow palette. So here we go. These 3 right here. Highlights, the pinkish ones, you could probably get away with it as a blush if you want a shimmer blush. We have 1, 2, 3 brown bronzing shades. There's also a shimmer one. This is for sure a blush. It's like matte. I will swatch these for you. I already did this on my Instagram, so if you follow me on Instagram, you probably already saw it on my story. But I will swatch them for you guys as well. Swatch them on the opposite hand. Bam. That's what they look like. So what I'm gonna do with this box for this video, I'm just gonna do like a simple summer glow look. Like, you could probably use this look any day, every day if you want to, if you have to work in the summertime. Obviously, we're going through this pandemic, quarantine with coronavirus, so you have to wear masks everywhere you go. If you're working, you're wearing a mask. So a lot of people aren't wearing makeup, or they're just wearing the makeup from the nose bridge and up. Hey, they still want to look like a bad bitch with their mask on. Let them do them. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's get right into that look and let's start popping. You know, my face has a little bit of a glow to it. It's like dewy. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, I already have foundation, concealer, did my brows, set my concealer. I used the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. Boom. And then for concealer, I used the Revlon Candid Concealer. But underneath that, I did use the Master Camo from Maybelline, the orange, under my eyes, under the concealer, because the dark circles are freaking real. So yeah, let's get into this. So we're gonna start with the bronzer. So I got my brush. This brush is from Alamar Cosmetics. This is their complexion brush. And I feel like I'm gonna go in with this top shade right here. I think it's called Subtly Sun Touched. Cute little, the name. It's not wrong because it's really subtle and it's a really cute bronzing shade for my skin tone. And I'm feeling it. Definitely gonna start using this every day when I do my makeup, which is not every day, so I don't know why I said that. Because the bitch is lazy and I have nowhere to go because I can't go nowhere. But to the grocery store, and I ain't gonna put makeup on to go to the grocery store con un mask. What the fuck does it look like? So there we go, nice and bronzed up. Now I'm gonna use the blush. I'm not using the shimmer blossom brush right here. Seriously. I'm gonna use that blush right there, and I'm gonna use this Kylie brush. And the blush is called Sun Kissed because we love to be sun kissed in the summer. Smile for the camera. That's cute or whatever. It looks a little bit bright in the camera, but it really isn't. It's really, really pretty and really, really like toned down. Like it's perfect for me because I love like these peachy subtle blushes that are not too crazy. So, for me, I like to put a little bit on my nose to really give you the sun-kissed vibe, you know? I don't really contour or bronze my nose because I feel like for me, it doesn't do anything. My nose is really like button-like, and I like my nose. I don't feel like it needs to be skinnier or anything like that, so that's that out of here. So I'm looking at it and it does look a little bit out there, so what I like to do is, ooh, it's a piece of hair. Okay, I like to do is spray my face with some setting spray. So I'm just gonna go in with this Morphe spray real quick. Take my sponge and just like blend it in so it's not too bright, you know? There we go. And then I feel like my face automatically knows where I'm gonna put the highlight. Like it's gonna go right there and right there. So I'm going to use the one in the middle, right dab in the middle. And I'm just gonna grab this brush. This is a Morphe R36 brush. And I'm just gonna pick up some of that highlight. And wow. Oh, Malanta. And then a little bit on the nose. And then down the center, right there. Ooh, if you want a little get crazy, get a little crazy, add a little bit on the So sides of your forehead. Put some Cupid's bow. And boom. Bam. Wow, Pixie. Wow, wow. So for this, like, you know, like a natural-ish look, if you want to do it, if you want, you could put some of this, the copper shade on your lid. And I'm just gonna use my finger to dab it and like move it around because it's supposed to be like a soft look, so you don't want it to be too harsh. So you just give your eyelid a little bit of a shimmer. Like so. Just a little shimmer. Nothing too crazy. And if you want, you can add a little bit of the highlight on top if you want it to be really sparkly, or add more and intensify the shade on your eye. I'm gonna add some highlight to the inner corners of my eyes, and that's pretty much about it. Add a little bit more. And usually when I do like soft, like on the go, like hurry up rushed looks like this, just for like running errands, or let's say if I was working, because right now I am not, I am a stay-at-home mom like most people are, but before COVID I was always a stay-at-home mom. I don't put lashes on, I'll just put mascara and keep it going. So that's what I'm going to do here, because I'm showing you what I will do. You guys can do your look however you would like to do it. So that's that. So I'm just gonna grab a small brush, if I can find it, because I never can find where the heck I put my brushes. Found my brush. Okay, it's a little tiny brush. I'm just gonna pick up some of the highlight, and I feel like I'm gonna use like one of the pinkish ones, maybe this purpley one, because since I blended out the copper, it looks a little purple-ish. So I'm just gonna pick some of this up and just put it in there. Really cute. These highlights are popping though. Really cute, like that. And then put a little under my brow bone, on my brow bone, not under it. Make your eyebrows look more poppin' than what they probably already are. There we go. And now for the mascara. Try to get a little bit closer. I need a mirror. I don't know why I'm trying to do all of this stuff out of mirror. So there you go. I like to move it from side to side to really separate the hairs and make sure, you know, they're all getting equal amounts of love from the mascara. Oh no! Gosh darn it. Okay. I gotta clean that, so I'm just gonna wipe it off with this wipe. And then I'm just gonna take my sponge and all fixed. So fast, look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of liner on my lamps. So I happen to have this one. that kind of matches the gloss. This one's from Gerard Cosmetics, Peachy Keen. So I'm gonna have a little bit of this on. I'm looking down because my mirror is right there. A normal lip that I would wear. Usually I put like a brown lip with like a nude gloss or lipstick, real chola vibes. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on top. It smells early minty. And voila. This is the look, you know? Or as she would say, this is your go and glow look, as it says on the box. Go and glow. So this was fun. I've missed you guys. I know I'm a slacker. Really bad. But I have another video coming out probably tomorrow, and it's gonna be featuring the I forgot the name of the brand's name. Beauty Creations mystery boxes. So the $50 mystery box, I think it's a smaller one, and then a bigger one. So you guys stay tuned for that, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really quick, simple, bam bam, thank you ma'am, on the go glowy look. And give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, follow me everywhere, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. Even though TikTok's about to be banned, but still I get a lot of love on that video, on that app. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Bye.